My country people, una welcome back to my channel today. Kiddwaya of the Big Brother Naija All-Star season im don come out come make the announcement of a new business wey be say im just open, and also Phyna don come out come mock a particular celebrity and the thing no sit well with Nigerians. And lastly, Soma don come out come celebrate e baby girl wey be say dey call Angel Smith on her birthday. So happy birthday to Angel Smith because she did her birthday few hours ago. I don't know whether the birthday still even dey go on right now, but I dey wish her well. Our baby Angel from the Shine Your Eye season, she is now 24. Chai, no be small thing. God, thank you. So her boyfriend wey dey call Soma come out to come celebrate her on her birthday. From the way Soma even dey sound, you go know say that boy Angel don carry am go where we no know. So Soma come out come say 24 years of being on earth, 24 years of learning, 24 years of experiencing life, 24 years of being a warrior princess, 24 years of molding you into the beautiful work of art that you are now. You are indeed a prized piece, and I am proud of you. I'm proud of how you've played the cards dealt with you, dealt you. You are an inspiration to so many, and I pray that 24 is your best year yet. You are blessed beyond any curse. You are favored every day. Grace is upon your life forever. Happy birthday, my baby. I love you. Contact am at the Angel Smiths. Soma too love this Angel girl. Despite everything, what the whole name wey they call her, Olosho 5 kobo, this one, even the advice wey be say wetin be name, white money and cross even give her for inside Big Brother house that time, say this girl, she's not easy to date. See am, the guy still love the girl regardless. Person wey be say go care for you, no go stress you in any way. So once again, happy birthday to our warrior princess, according to the way Soma take call her. If you dey watch this video and you never subscribe, abeg subscribe, help me like this video, drop your comments for the comment section below, and also help me share this video. Una thank you. Unto Kiddwaya matter, as we all know, Kiddwaya since he come out of Big Brother house, people don dey ask say what is this boy doing. Sometimes we go see Kiddwaya go carry money, go stone people for face, he go dey video the thing, he go dey laugh. If he's not eating, he's traveling. So the boy have just been enjoying his life. As we all know, life is short. So people don dey ask am say the guy whether he no go start that business. Una remember say when he dey inside the Big Brother Naija All Stars house, Kiddwaya for the tax wey be say they do, where they talk say make they, that money point tax wey be say they do, where they say make they sell their business ideas, Kiddwaya come out come sell his own, and since then he never really achieve the business, and he never open am. So today he come out come make the big announcement say he don finally open the business. So last year December he come out come first make the big announcement. So he say your new 24-hour coffee and bistro restaurant in the heart of Lagos VI coming soon. So this na the logo, midnight mocha be na wetin. Yes, quality never sleeps. So he don come out, he don finally open the coffee restaurant. Bistro na all this French related food. So na wetin he don open be that. For Victoria Island, Lagos, see the coffee cup sef, so fine, just be like all those one we dey watch for American movie. So he come say we are officially opened. Congratulations to my amazing team working on this project. WDG and fans of Kid, this one is for you. God is the greatest. At midnight mocha. So some of the fans, they actually come out to come congratulate the guy because Kiddwaya, a lot of people they see and say the boy not dey serious with his life. But una no know to say Kiddwaya papa, that Teriwaya wey we say talk about. So that man single-handedly fly 21 sitting governors from Nigeria go abroad for a birthday. You know the meaning of when a particular person they fly 21 sitting governor, not be the governor wey don comot to 21, and you know so all of them are business class they go fly. So it's not easy. So the guy papa gets money too much. So that's why you see una dey see am say they do wetin they do. He's just enjoying himself. So make we just see how the fans take congratulate and how some people take curse am. The first person here say Kid has finally done something good with his life. Proud of you, baby. So all the one maybe say they do, see don't they do anything good or what? That not nice. So this one say we won't be coming. This one a hater. Some people they not even you not go do them anything, they'll just dislike you for no reason. This one is just a sad person. So the next person says it's time to win. Yes, so the last person say congratulations kids, 100% proud fan moment. I don't know say underneath all those childish behavior of Kiddwaya, he actually get good plans for himself. So this na good something I do. So big congratulations to him anyways. So on recent wetin be name Davido, they Burna Boy dey drag am for something. We no know wetin two of dem dey fight for, but Burna Boy dey fight Davido fans, those type of thing. So Phyna come out come drop a tweet. People come dey feel say that tweet dey related to the beef wey dey between Davido and Burna Boy. So make I read wetin Phyna talk for una. So she come say there's one particular dragging that is going on right now. I love it. Agbabola is now my number one fave. Don't tell me anything else. I no know whether na really Burna Boy she dey talk say na im be Agbabola, because I no know Burna Boy as Agbabola, I know am as Odogu. So I no know who she actually dey refer to, but most Nigerians dey claim to say she dey come for Davido and they no see am nice. So they come start to dey call her names for the comment section, dey insult her, all those type of thing. So the first person here come say, Mama dem no know say na the dragging dey bring God's blessing most times. Dem you win, dem lose, finish foolish people. On pidgin e no fit even write well, English e no fit still write. Na wow, this person statement e make sense to me, because from everything wey be say we don see so far, everything wey be say Phyna dey do, e dey always bring I no know, more money for her. If she dey always strive on negativity, she dey always wan dey for anything wey be say dey talk bad about her, because na that type of anything controversy sells more for this our country, as a matter of fact worldwide. So I feel say na im make she dey always do this thing wey be say she dey do. So the next person say at least dem no dey give am Anna before e buy motor. Go get sense ashawo. Wetin dis one dey even talk about? Phyna get money now, so which one come be this one wey be say this one dey talk about? But anyways, I just feel say Phyna she need to stay clear from this Davido matter. If na really him and Burna Boy dey put their mouth for their two matter, those two people they no dey put mouth for their matter. All those musicians, if they like make they fight scatter themselves, e no concern me. I no dey even look their side. In as much as Phyna wan trend, I'm not sure say this na a good way for her to trend, because her fans they no smell 30BG fans at all. So e go good say make she just avoid them before she go come and come start to dey cry say they dey threaten her, death threat and all of them, the way she dey talk am the last time. So I just believe say if she see trouble, make she just move past her, because she no go gain anything from going to shade somebody. The person only said he no know you, no be something where they wrong. A lot of people don't know a lot of people, and I say just be a lot of people say don't know the Davido. And the truth be that. So not be something where we say she go keep for mind since all this while. I just hope say not be the video she dey refer to. Make she just let the matter die down. Una take care, una bye.